Stop doing guesswork. Here's the latest scoop on dog laws you need to know. Your pup will thank you. First up, the Puppy Protection Act of 2024. It's a game changer for dog breeders. Dogs now get solid floors, no more stacked cages, and comfy space to stretch. Plus, daily outdoor fun and regular vet checkups are a must. Wooftastic, right? Next, Pennsylvania's updated dog law. Kennels need to flash their license numbers in ads, and sellers gotta provide dog license apps. Fines for unlicensed dogs just got heftier. It's all about safer communities and happy pups. And finally, Deltona, Florida's new rules. Dogs get proper exercise based on their needs. Shelters must protect them from extreme weather and offer clean, spacious living areas. Talk about paw some care. Hit like, comment, and subscribe for more doggy updates. Keep those tails wagging.